You can finish this?
Yeah.
Pure skin nugget, how it tastes. Gwan Squad, I'm here with everybody's favorite today, Maximilian.
Gwan Squad.
What?
Gwan Squad. Gwan Squad.
Today I'm taking him to my Chinese restaurant. You guys all seem to love the Wok and Roll video. So we're taking Max down for his first ever taste. What are you thinking today?
I'm thinking it will taste very good.
You've been eating a lot recently, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
Like 2 plates of food every meal?
3.
3. Stand up next to this pole, let's see how you're growing. Blow out, guys. This man is growing non-stop. And let me tell you something. Fuzz is his small grandpa. That's crazy to me.
It's very true that Grandpa Fuzz is my small grandpa.
And he's a big guy, huh? I was telling Max, the food today isn't Chinese food. It's Jamaican food with Chinese flavors and cooking styles. What do you think about that? Is that kind of cool or?
Cool. It sounds very cool.
Would you like to try going in the kitchen? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, guys, come along for the journey. Let's go.
Gwan Squad. Me and Uncle James are gonna go to a restaurant. I'm gonna show you outside. Jamaica. So pretty. I'm looking forward to trying Chinese and Jamaican food mixed. The restaurant's called Wok and Roll. You guys should come check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, Max, so do you want to pick what you're eating off the menu, or are you brave enough to ask the chef to choose for you?
Ask the chef.
Yeah? Alright, guys, so we're going to go down and ask Bradley what should Max eat, and then we're going to go with it. If he doesn't like it, I'll buy him whatever he wants, but I know he's going to love it. Alright, guys, big up. We're here. Everything good? Alright, guys. Don't go in the kitchen without our hairnets. You look silly, like Uncle James.
Chicken shake, fish, fried chicken.
You know which one you want?
Fried chicken.
Alright, guys, so here's the menu today. Max is getting the fried chicken. I'm getting the chicken steak, and then we're going to try the General Tso's chicken. I need to come here when noodles are on the menu, because noodles are my favorite. You want fried rice with it?
Is there rice and peas?
There is. Yeah.
I don't like fried rice.
What? Max getting fried chicken and rice and peas. I'm getting chicken steak and fried rice. Yo guys, I sent on the biggest food YouTuber, big up Matthew, big up Jamaica food bar. I'm Bradley scared to go on camera when he's the funniest one out of the group. What's your hair not doing on your face? To keep your beard off?
Sure, official no.
Alright. So Max. Whoa. You can finish this?
Yeah.
You're gonna mash it up?
And cheese.
Damn.
Oh, wait a second. Wok and Roll?
Wok and Roll every time about.
You hear that? No playing around, no f around, that we say now. Alright, Max, try the food, let's see. Pure skin nugget, how it tastes?
Good.
Yeah? And let's try a little rice with the gravy. I need to get a full review, Max. We're here to hear your thoughts. You'll come here again? Alright guys, Max say it, him rate it. Alright, it's General Tso's. Okay. Alright, so we got the General Tso's, we got the fried rice, and we got the macaroni. All by themselves, all very good. And now we're going to what? What? Too sweet for you? Tell the boss.
Alright, we'll work on it, don't worry.
So I'm going to do fried rice, macaroni. Yeah, I ate that. Alright guys, Max going to take one bite of the General Tso's to try it.
It's good.
Yeah? You wish you got it? Yeah. See that? Did you really like it today?
Yeah.
You'd go back?
Yeah.
Tell them a little bit about it.
The food's very good.
Did you like what I had?
Yes.
Did you wish you got that?
Yeah. Wait, was the chef to choose for me?
Yeah, but then you said fried chicken.
But, you said that the chef was gonna choose.
Sorry. You want him to choose next time?
Mm-hmm.
You want to go back again next week?
Yeah.
Me and you? The last hangout before I leave?
Wait, what?
I'm leaving again in 2 weeks. What? You don't like when I leave?
No.
Why?
So bored out.
You just want us to hang out all the time?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so Max and I went for lunch. He tried out my restaurant, Wok and Roll, and he really liked it. So we're gonna go back again next week before I leave. Alright guys, big up. Alright Max, we're signing off for the day now. How was it? What do you think?
It was very good.
You want Daddy to take you there again?
Yeah.
Guys, thanks for coming along. Wok and Roll, 1 Molynes Road. Check it out. Wickedness. Later. Bye Max, love you.
Look at the bubbles in the food.
Really? I said love you and you said look at the bubbles. Jeez. Gwan Squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.